We're back on Pancakeswap because now we want to sell. We've already bought like about 50 cents worth, and now we want to sell. Okay, we want to sell what's left, which is like about 880,000 pieces of Instra One. So I just went over to Pucoin and I found out that it's even more expensive to sell over there. So it's better to just come back to Pancakeswap and do that. Okay, so naturally um, it always defaults, to BNB and cake. So we have to change this cake to Instra. Okay, so we've got our Instra over there, and that's BNB Instra. So because we're selling Instra should be on top, right? So now let's just enlarge that. What we want to sell is 880 pieces, 880,000 pieces. How much is that? Okay, so that should give us how much? Should give us something in the range of 22 cents. Okay, so we bought it for 26 cents. So obviously taxes and everything, and we're losing that. All right, so let's go ahead and click on swap. Okay, so we'll have to check beneath and confirm swap. Let's click on confirm swap, and we'll go over to see what's happening on our account here. Just load it again. We already have like $2 here. We've sent some money in so that we can use that to actually buy, because we want to check what's going on at the back end. All right, so it's 48 cents to sell. Interesting. I'm wondering why it's so expensive this way, but anyways, it's cheaper than selling it on PooCoin. So I'll go ahead and get that to be confirmed. 48 cents. Okay. So what do we have already confirmed? Is it confirmed? I guess it is. All right, so we've gotten that sold. So let's see, how much do we have in our tokens? Okay, we're back to 25 million left here, right? So we've sold that because we bought it. That means we took it from the liquidity and now it's back in the liquidity. Okay, so now we want to go and check what's happening in PooCoin, and let's see. Okay, let's first of all come here and see that everything, it's all okay. Transaction receipts. Good. So let's check the transaction receipt. Oh, what's that? We're not adding that. We just want to check the transaction receipt. Okay, so this is the transaction receipt. So see what's happening. Quite a number of things are going on here. Yeah, a number of things going on. Just one purchase, one sellout, right? So we'll have to come back, and I mean all the rewards are also being sent out. You can see here. Can you see that all of this? Let me see. All the amounts that should be sent out to the holders, right? Currently, I'm the only holder, so obviously I get the rewards. Okay, so you can see all these. Wow, you can see how it works. This is what we call a smart contract, right? So it's giving you, and now it's, can you see the reward in BUSD? Interesting. So the reward in BUSD has been sent out. It's a very tiny amount though, but the fact that it works, 1 cent. All right. Interesting. It's here. By the time we do another sell, we'll be sure that it truly is, right? But for now, it's telling me that it's here. That's what it's telling me. So I can see that amount is there. And well, let's see that this truly works. So this is a reward contract, right? So it's rewarding me 3% of the fees, which is like about 1 cent. Let's just hope that this is truly true. Okay, so let me go back into my Trust wallet, because I guess that's the same thing I'm seeing there. Let me just be sure. I go back into my Trust wallet and I'm seeing the same amount of money. Okay. It's just showing that that's the amount that is there. So which is a very small amount, just about 1 cent. But that's really good. I mean, the fact that we can see that it's working, and this is the same wallet, right? I'm just this one is just the same wallet. The MetaMask wallet is the same wallet address, right? And we can see that the amount is here, 1 cent. Okay, and then also in MetaMask, it's also there too, 1 cent. So this contract works. That's the most important thing. Is giving its holders, 3% of the transaction fees. That's it. And that's what we need to know about this contract. Okay. All right. So we're currently on dex.guru, and this is our token. What we've done, this is charts, right? What we've done is that we have bought. I mean, when we added liquidity, you can see the price it came out as at launch. And then, we bought a little bit from the Dex wallet, the Dev's wallet. After that, we now sold. So you can see that the tiny green here, the tiny green part here is the fact that we bought, and this little red here is the fact that we sold. So that's how charts are made. So it's important that we take note of this because it's how the chart is made. So this is the beginning point.